Kash, welcome to Floor Talk. It's fabulous to have you on the show.
Thank you for having me, Judy.
So I want to start off by talking about the company. Tell me about Securonix.
Securonix is a cybersecurity category leader in the category called Security Information and Event Management. We've been the category leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for SIEM for the last 5 years. And more recently, we were also honored to be the recipient of Gartner's Customer's Choice Award in the SIEM category based on the feedback from our customers. So we are very proud about that.
Now, Kash, cybersecurity has grown so complex. So can you explain what SIEM is and why it's different from other solutions on the market?
So SIEM is a holistic solution. It is a centralized monitoring system for cybersecurity for enterprises. And it monitors the entire cybersecurity infrastructure across the organization, whether it is devices, networks, or applications. It collects that data, analyzes the data, and then protect the enterprises with the responses. And the way it does it is it's collecting the information, and it is analyzing the information, and it is looking for suspicious behaviors and security threats. And that is much more holistic than other solutions that are available for cybersecurity. The other difference of SIEM versus other cybersecurity solution is the fact that it stores the data for a longer period of time, which really allows organizations to be able to meet regulatory compliance requirements and look at the data to have the audit trails as needed by the regulators. It also provides opportunity for the enterprises to proactively search the threats, the security threats that may have evaded the traditional cybersecurity solutions in their enterprise.
Now, the SIEM market has been around since the early 2000s. Why has the SIEM market undergone so many changes recently, and what's driving this shift now?
Yeah, so some of the changes were driven by the inflection points, right? So when enterprises decided to move their infrastructure to the public cloud, the SIEM market needed to evolve to support the cloud infrastructure. And then the volume of the threats were increasing tremendously, which really required SIEM providers to adopt AI and machine learning to be able to provide the threat detection with accuracy and reduce the false positives. And then last but not least, these companies see SIEM as a growth area because this is a central monitoring system and they are wanting to expand their business, which is why new companies and existing companies are entering into this space and driving the consolidation in the market.
And how have you stayed ahead in the evolving SIEM market and cybersecurity market?
We've stayed ahead because of two reasons. We are very much committed to innovation in this space, investing in research and development, as well as providing best-in-class customer service to our customers. We have had a history of innovations, starting with cloud-native platform. We were the first one to introduce the cloud-native platform for SIEM solutions. We've been using advanced AI and machine learning to pinpoint the threats with accuracy and reduce the false positives. We provide the best customer experience so that customers can spend more time easily on our platform to detect the threats. And last but not least, we believe in providing an open solution. So our customers have the choice. They can keep the rest of their infrastructure and they don't have to rip and replace to use Securonix. That's one of the reasons very large organizations have been using Securonix to protect their environment, from one of the largest banks in the world to airlines to healthcare organization. And as I mentioned, our leadership in the Gartner Magic Quadrant, as well as the Customer Choice Award recently. And it is not a surprise that our new sales in the last fiscal grew 40% year over year, which is way above market, which is an endorsement of our customers for the commitment we have to the innovation as well as customer service for our customers.
Now, Kash, everyone's talking about AI, of course. So how is Securonix helping organizations stay ahead as AI fuels more frequent and sophisticated cyber attacks?
So as I mentioned, we've had a history of leveraging AI, advanced AI, as well as machine learning algorithms to really pinpoint the threat. And we continue to leverage AI and Gen AI. We have AI co-pilots, which really provides organization the ability to just use the natural language. They don't have to learn about the specific, they can use the natural language. We are using AI within the product to fight AI, because obviously the threat actors are using AI, but with our history of AI innovations, we are staying ahead of the bad actors to really protect the assets of our customers.
All right, well, Kash, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thank you for joining me on Fuller Talk today.
Thank you for having me, Judy. It's a pleasure.